কেৰালাৰ কোচিত তৃতীয় আভ্যন্তৰীণ জল পৰিবহণ বিভাগৰ বৈঠক আৰু এই বৈঠকত বিভাগটোৰ শেহতীয়া সফলতাৰ খতিয়ান দাঙি ধৰিছে কেন্দ্ৰীয় মন্ত্ৰী সৰ্বানন্দ সোণোৱালে। আভ্যন্তৰীণ জল পৰিবহণৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত বৃদ্ধি পাইছে কেন্দ্ৰ আৰু ৰাজ্য চৰকাৰৰ সমন্বয়। যাত্ৰী আৰু সামগ্ৰী পৰিবহণৰ ক্ষেত্ৰতো সুকীয়া স্থান দখল কৰিছে বিভাগটোৱে। কাৰ্গোৰ যোগেদি সামগ্ৰী পৰিবহণৰ পৰিমাণ পূৰ্বৰ তুলনাত বৃদ্ধি পাইছে। জেটিৰ পৰিমাণো 30ৰ পৰা 100লৈ বৃদ্ধি পাইছে।
Namaskaram. It gives me great pleasure to be here today at the third meeting of the Inland Waterways Development Council in Kochi, one of India's most vibrant maritime and inland waterways hub. This council itself reflects a powerful idea. Inland waterways cannot grow through isolated effort. They grow through coordination between the center and the state, between policy and education, between vision and delivery. Friends, if we look back to 2013-14, inland waterways were largely seen as a marginal mode of transport. Today, under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji, inland waterways have become a strategic pillar of India's multimodal logistic framework. Let me share just a few facts that tell this transformation story. The number of national waterways increased from just 5 to 111. The number of operational waterways has grown 10 times from just 3 to 32. Inland cargo grew from 18 million tons to over 145 million tons. Government expenditure on waterways development increased almost sixfold. The number of operational terminals has gone from 15 to 25 and floating jetties from 30 to 100. From just one multimodal terminal, today India has 4 state-of-the-art terminals, including those at Haldia, Sahibganj, and Varanasi. This transformation did not happen by accident. It flowed from a clear national vision, sustained reforms, and consistent execution under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. As he has often reminded us, rivers should not only carry water, they must carry prosperity. Friends, inland waterways pass through states. Their success depends on states. That is why cooperative federalism lies at the heart of our IWT strategy. The creation of Inland Waterways Development Council itself is a historic reform. For the first time, ministers and senior officers from states are co-designing the future of inland waterways and not merely implementing centrally designed scheme. From Assam to Kerala, from Uttar Pradesh to Odisha, states have partnered with IWI to introduce RoPax services, urban water transport, terminals, and cruise circuits, strengthening last-mile connectivity and public confidence in waterways.
আপুনি চাই আছে ND24 সৰ্বশ্ৰেষ্ঠ নহয় সৰ্বোত্তমৰ দৌৰত।